Tardigrades can survive in space. Tardigrades, also known as water bears, are microscopic creatures renowned for their extraordinary resilience. They can endure extreme conditions that would be fatal to most other life forms, including the vacuum of space, making them one of the most resilient life forms known to science. Hey there, fact lovers! Welcome back to Discover 10 Facts, where we dive into the coolest facts about everything. Today we've got something super exciting for you. We're diving into 10 amazing random facts that are so mind-blowing you might need to sit down for this. Starting at number 1, the Eiffel Tower can grow. Did you know the Eiffel Tower can actually grow? That's right. During the summer, the metal in the tower expands because of the heat. It can grow up to 6 inches taller. It's like the Eiffel Tower has its own summer workout plan. On to number 2, bananas are berries. Here's a fruity fact for you. Did you know that bananas are technically classified as berries? In botanical terms, a berry is a fruit with seeds embedded in its fleshy part and derived from a single ovary. Bananas fit this definition perfectly, while strawberries don't, despite their name. So next time you grab a banana, you're holding a true berry in your hand. At number 3, there's a planet made of diamonds. 55. Cancri E is a fascinating exoplanet located about 40 light-years away from Earth in the constellation of Cancer. Known as a diamond planet, 55 Cancri A is believed to have a carbon-rich composition, which could mean that a significant portion of its mass is made up of diamond. This unique planetary structure is the result of its extreme pressure and temperature conditions, which transform carbon into crystalline forms. It's basically a giant diamond. Imagine wearing a planet-sized piece of jewelry. Number 4. A day on Venus is longer than a year. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus, which is a mind-boggling fact about our neighboring planet. Venus has an incredibly slow rotation, taking about 243 Earth days to complete one full turn on its axis. In contrast, it takes just about 225 Earth days for Venus to orbit the Sun once. This means that a single day on Venus, from one sunrise to the next, is actually longer than its entire year. Mind-bending, right? Coming in at number 5, there's a jellyfish that never dies. Turritopsis doherni, often called the immortal jellyfish, is a remarkable marine creature known for its unique ability to potentially live indefinitely. When faced with environmental stress or physical damage, this jellyfish can revert to its earliest developmental stage, essentially resetting its life cycle. By transforming from an adult back into a juvenile polyp, Turritopsis doherni can start its life anew, effectively avoiding death and evading the usual aging process. It's like hitting the reset button on life. Number 6. Honeybees can recognize human faces. Honeybees possess an astonishing ability to recognize and remember human faces, a trait that is surprisingly advanced for such tiny insects. Using a process called pattern recognition, honeybees can identify and recall the distinct features of human faces, much like how humans recognize each other. This skill helps them navigate their environment and interact with their surroundings more effectively. So, if you've ever had a bee buzz around you, it might remember you the next time it sees you. Number 7. The longest word in the English language has 189,819 letters. It's a mouthful. The longest word in the English language is a chemical name with 189,819 letters. It's so long it's basically impossible to pronounce or even fit on a page. I won't even attempt it, but you can. It's the scientific name for the largest protein in the human body, scientifically known as titin, made up of over 190,000 letters. Yep, you heard that right. Number 8. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the Earth's beaches. An astonishing fact that puts the vastness of space into perspective. While estimates suggest there are around 7.5 quintillion grains of sand on Earth's beaches, the observable universe is thought to contain between 100 to 200 billion galaxies, each with millions to billions of stars. This comparison highlights the immense scale of the cosmos and our place within it. Number 9. The world's largest desert is Antarctica. Antarctica holds the title of the largest desert on Earth. a fact that might surprise many who associate a desert with hot, sandy landscapes. Despite its icy, frigid conditions, Antarctica qualifies as a desert due to its extremely low precipitation, receiving less than 2 inches, 50 millimeters of rainfall annually. This arid characteristic, combined with its vast expanse of ice and snow, makes Antarctica not only the coldest but also the driest desert, demonstrating that deserts can exist in some of the harshest and most unexpected environments on the planet. On to number 10. A single bolt of lightning contains enough energy to toast 100,000 slices of bread. A single bolt of lightning contains an astounding amount of energy, equivalent to about 1 billion joules, which is enough to toast around 100,000 slices of bread. That's a lot of toast. This incredible energy comes from the massive electrical discharge that occurs during a lightning strike, delivering a powerful burst of electricity in a fraction of a second. The sheer magnitude of energy in a lightning bolt highlights the raw power of nature and serves as a reminder of the impressive forces that shape our planet's weather. Number 11. The shortest commercial flight in the world is only 1.7 miles. The world's shortest commercial flight covers a mere 1.7 miles between the Scottish islands of Westray and Papai. This ultra-short flight, which takes just about 90 seconds, is an extraordinary example of how even the smallest routes can offer significant connectivity for remote communities. Despite its brevity, this flight plays a crucial role in linking the islands and providing essential transportation for residents. The experience of such a quick journey underscores the efficiency and innovation in air travel, even over the tiniest distances. Number 12. The coldest place in the universe is the Boomerang Nebula. The Boomerang Nebula, located about 5,000 light-years from Earth, is known as the coldest place in the universe. With a temperature of just 1 degree Kelvin above absolute zero, 458 degrees or 272 degrees, it is incredibly frigid. This extreme cold is due to the nebula's rapid expansion, which causes the gas within it to cool dramatically. The Boomerang Nebula's icy conditions provide valuable insights into the life cycles of stars and the effects of cooling in space, making it a fascinating object of study in astrophysics. And our final fact at number 13. A single strand of spaghetti is called a spaghetto. A single strand of spaghetti is referred to as a spaghetto in Italian, highlighting the singular form of this popular pasta. While we commonly use the term spaghetti to describe the whole bundle, the word spaghetto is the correct term for just one piece. This little linguistic detail adds a touch of charm to our everyday pasta dishes and reflects the rich nuances of Italian language and culinary tradition. There you have it, 13 amazing facts that are absolutely mind-blowing. Which fact did you find the most interesting? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button.